Me tocó una familia latina.
I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl.
So lonely, Mr. Lonely. I have no.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.